Meghalaya Board of School Education hakalai potarik unaitung kalapan banaya ke result jongka higher secondary school living certificate hakaliang ka science, commerce but vocational stream hakaba karai choeta das jongka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo ekakadan baningkong haka class 12 science but Udev Raj Nak jongka Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong ulayo ekakadan baningkong haka 12 Commerce stream.
Haka class 12 commerce keblele kidan 8,000 laispa nyungut bat kebela pas kidan 6,000 praspa andrupu nyungut bat kejingpas kalong prapau point kendai lai nak sispa. Haka class 12 science bat keblele ek examen kidan 1,000 sanspa andrupu nyungut bat kebela pas kilong 8,000 sanspa nyupu nyungut bat kejingpas kalong nyupu ar point arsau nak sispa. Ke St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kelapau biang menta ke kenti hak bah nyungut ki kena apulia jong ke school kilapau hak top jong ke top 10 jong ke science bat prangut kilawan hak top 10 jong ke commerce. Habaikran bat ka rochoita das bat Udev Raj Nak kibalabat ka kerdan benengkong kilapan pau ke jing kemen baik liok ban bat ke kerdan bat kilapan pau ke jing sungu ki kimeki kpa bat kinohikai ke belakershan ki med bat mensiam bakin poish ke thong. Kilo ongru bahaga jing penkre ek nek examen kilamat ke jing namar bakim yo bandet chalaki school ban yo ke jing hikai ke ba markmat ek no hikai bat kila shio jing hikai de ka basule online nrai namar ke jing rap nak no hikai bat ke jing minot top ru nalade kilo ban kej ya uso jong ke jing job.
Roswita, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you feel being the topper of HSSLC Science?
I feel incredibly happy. And I'm actually really grateful to everyone who has helped me out and to our teachers because truthfully speaking, they've worked twice as hard as all the students combined together. And I'm grateful to my parents for supporting me all the time and never giving up on me. And my friends for cheering me on every time I felt down. I'm just so grateful to everyone. Actually, I'm preparing for the JEE entrance exams right now. And I plan to take up computer science, but I haven't really thought about anything beyond that yet because I think it's better to just take things step by step instead of planning 10 years ahead in the future.
Were you in a difficult situation during the preparation of your exams since most of the classes are going online?
Actually, it's obviously nothing that we have ever experienced before, which is why the online classes were quite new, and at the beginning it did feel quite inconvenient to say the truth, but our teachers helped us out a lot. They made videos and audios, they gave us explanations on literally every topic. They helped us out whenever we asked for help, no matter when it was. They never ignored our calls or our messages. And they helped us out to the best of their ability, and that was amazing actually. It was a gift.
We know that science is hard, but commerce is equally tough. So I have chosen this because I knew I could do something in this stream, in this field. So being the topper in this field is just something like a very new experience for me. Like when I saw the result, I was like a bit confused, a bit shocked, very much shocked indeed, and happy at the same time. Obviously I would be happy, and this success has been possible only due to my parents, my teachers, the institution which helped me a lot. Only I alone could have done nothing. They are the ones who has helped me to do all this. So now I would like to owe my success to them only.
What is your message to the other students for preparing for the exams?
I think it's important to just go on preparing, no matter how slow or how fast you are, to just not stop thinking that you're going to fail, because if you go on trying it probably won't happen, you probably will not fail. And I think it's really lucky for me that I was surrounded by people who supported me and helped me go on, and it's just something I'm really grateful for, and I hope everyone has that.